What do you have? Do you have anything to tell us? I've got nothing to ask you.
Nah, I was just no. I don't have anything to say. I was just saying. I was just checking on you. So is you okay? Then bye.
But looks like you're somebody there.
No, I'm not. I'm not.
No, you're lying.
Why would I lie?
Show us your surroundings.
Huh?
Show us your surroundings.
So I have to prove anything, yeah.
No, because I know you're not alone. I see the way you know the way you're moving your face, like you're somebody. You know.
Okay. Is this life my way? Yo, pero kakupisa, my way.
She can't take it anymore. Thank you so much for joining Ginimbi Live, my live, your TV. So let's see who's the next person to join Ginimbi Live. Yo, guys, rules of Ginimbi Live. Rules of Ginimbi Live. If you're ugly, you don't qualify. If you're ugly, please don't request to be on Ginimbi Live. If you are less than 20 years, please don't request. Let's see who's the next person coming to Ginimbi Live. Guys, you said I must join who? Hey, what's wrong with this person? No data. Okay, let's try the next person.
Hi.
Hi, I'm John.
How are you?
You are?
Good.
Are you sleeping?
Yeah, it's bedtime just now.
Bedtime? And you sleep?
Hey?
And you're sleeping alone?
Yeah, I'm alone.
Why?
Because I don't have a boyfriend.
What? Is that normal?
Yeah.
I think maybe it might be sensitive. Why is it you don't have a boyfriend?
I don't know. All the boys are not nice.
So you're dating a girl?
No.
So when they say boys are not nice, what are you referring to?
No, like they can be horrible. Some of them, yeah, no.
But not all of them.
No, not all of them.
But people are asking for more light.
Hey?
People are saying, yes, you are light, but they need the real light, put the light in the house. They can't see you.
Oh, God.